Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Make sure the earbuds have at least 20% charge so they respond when powered. Once done, leave them in the closed case and remove any protective film that could block contacts. Open the case and identify the right bud's multifunction power area. You'll use that for pairing later. This early preparation prevents wasted button presses and ensures a reliable boot sequence, so do these quick checks before you attempt to turn them on. With the case open, press and hold the right earbuds button for about 3 seconds until you feel a soft click. This powers the earbud on. Next, watch the LED. White blinking means pairing mode is active and the earbud is ready to connect. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on, scan devices, and select JBL Endurance Peak 3. If you hear a voice prompt confirming connection, you're paired. If not, repeat the hold and scanning steps to ensure proper detection. Finally, insert both buds to confirm audio and ergonomic fit. Play test audio to verify left and right channels. Make sure the case and buds reach full charge if you experience intermittent drops. Red LEDs mean low battery. If pairing fails or one bud won't connect, perform a reset by holding both bud buttons for 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then re-enter pairing mode. This reset clears common glitches and usually restores a clean, stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.